Hi guys, today we will explain about how to use Meta AI on Instagram. First, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. After it, open your Instagram application. Now, time to use Meta AI. If you want to use, then tap on the search bar icon which is on the left bottom. And on the top, you can see the icon of Meta AI. Just tap on it and then tap on this arrow icon which is on the right top. And now we are in the Meta AI chat section. Before writing anything, let me tell you one thing. The Meta AI is limited, means you cannot generate videos, but you can generate the scripts for your videos, and also it can generate image. Just for showing you, I will generate an image. So that's why I am writing. So I wrote generate an image of dog and will tap on the option send. Now it start processing and it will take some time. And you can see it generate the image of dog. As I said before, it's limited. You cannot generate the whole videos. And it was the way by which you can use Meta AI on Instagram.